outside on my deck, and I wanted to make sure I took a video and shared with you all of my tulips are popping. Look at the daffodils. They are looking so sweet. Ah, so pretty. And look at the whole view of that site of all my tulips are popping. I'll try to get as close up so you guys will be able to see it, because like I got these bees out here that are like territorial or something. I don't know what's happening, but look at that view. Isn't that gorgeous? That is a fantastic view. Look at that. We've got these that look beautiful. Bees have been loving it. Look at those. Aren't those gorgeous? Look at those. Oh my goodness. Try to give you a little, my mums and my little pansies. Petunias are looking really good. Look at that. Now that is a bouquet that you couldn't even buy in a store. Look at this over here. Give you a look of all the beauty that Miss Renee has in her tulip garden. And these ones haven't even opened yet, but they're on their way. Check those out. This is amazing. This is my first time growing these, and I'm so excited about those. Look at the colors. Look at that. Look at the color of that one. And the inside, beautiful. You have that one. Those are still haven't opened up yet. But look, just give you another overview of what they look like. I'm so happy. This is a true meaning of spring right here. True meaning of spring. Let's see if I can get, see, jerking because of them bees. I don't know why these bees are so vicious. But they are out enjoying, I guess, the beauty too. All right, let me take you around here and let you see this one. Look at this one. I'm telling you, these flowers are showing out. And the ones I always show you. And this one I didn't even plant in the ground. Look, I just laid it on top of this basket, window basket, because I was going to put it in another pot, but it still found its way. And these will be opening up soon. See all the tulips? They're in there. They're wanting to open. So when this one right here opens up, this is going to be gorgeous. All right, let me take you over to that pot, that red pot up there, and let you see those. But I want to show you another one of my garden signs that I just finished. This one is going to be dedicated to the memorial garden with my mom and dad that have passed on, and my sister and all my other friends. So I'm going to find a special spot for that memorial garden sign. All right, let's go up to the top. Ooh, look, strawberries are coming in. See, David? They are still growing. And I have this other one right here, Mr. David, because you're always saying you wanted me to put them in ground. Well, they do really good in this flower box right here. And I even got a bloom starting already. And then they're starting to find their way. All right, so let's get up to that little pot up here so I can show you what they look like up here. So I think these are going to be gorgeous, gorgeous. Gotta watch where I'm walking now. But look, see, that's that pot that I always talk about. These are the flowers that are growing. You got daffodils. Trying to step on any of my plants I just stuck up here. You got daffodils. And look at the inside of this tulip. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. I got another big old daffodils here. Gorgeous. Alright, wanted to just let you guys see that from a distance before Miss Renee, so I don't step on any of my plants. And you can see the wheelbarrow showing off its tulips too, and I can't believe that my stairs are going in. I'm so excited. They're coming in. All right, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day, because I got a lot of work I need to do today, and I am gonna get busy. And as you can see, I don't know if you see it because of the sun's in my face, but all the daffodils on the top of my hill are doing great. And all my daylilies and stuff are starting to kick in. Blanket flowers are looking good on the ones that I planted. And my hostas, my yellow hosta right there is starting to come up. So everything is waking up. And my sedum around my red flower pot is wakening up. So as you can see, all Miss Renee's stuff is starting to come alive. Alright, guys, have a wonderful day. Oh man, the primrose has opened up more. Let's check that out and then I'll end the video. Alright, let's go. Oh, my bok choy looks good too. I'm gonna have to give them some water, but they're doing good. My little bok choy. Alright, let me show you the primrose. They're starting to open up more, see? Yesterday we had one flower. Now look how many we have. Alright, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day and a blessed day. And Miss Renee will see you in another video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like, share, hit the notification bell so you know when I have another video coming your way. Alright, you guys, have a wonderful day. Take care.